Good morning students. Let's see the continuity of 13th group elements. Okay. So in 13th group elements there we are discussing about aluminium. In that in the before class we discussed applications of goldsmith aluminate thermite process. The second application is of goldsmith aluminum thermic process, that is aluminum thermite welding process. We use this phenomenon in welding. So in aluminum thermite process it produces more heat energy. By using that heat energy we go for welding process. That is the second application here. So here we need to draw the diagram here. Let's see the diagram. See the diagram here, how welding process is done. This is magnesium powder and barium peroxide. BaO2, barium peroxide. Okay, this is useful to thermite mixer. I will say what is thermite mixer here. Here what we have, magnesium plus magnesium peroxide barium peroxide BaO2 mixer is there. Now here it is, below this this is thermite. Thermite means 1:3 ratio of, what is thermite? Thermite means 1:3 ratio of aluminium powder and ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3 mixer. This is the main compound here, aluminium and Fe2O3. This is called as thermite. Thermite mixer means this is thermite mixer. Thermite means aluminium plus Fe2O3, 1:3 ratio. This is 1, this is 3. 1:3. Aluminium powder and Fe2O3 ferric oxide mixer in 1:3 ratio is called as thermite mixer. Okay, thermite mixer. So this is magnesium ribbon. This one and this one is magnesium ribbon, and this one is, this is the lining. What we call it is lining. Okay, so this is magnesite lining. magnesite lining. Magnesite means magnesium carbonate is called as magnesite. So this is coating with magnesium carbonate. Okay, and now okay. Now these rods are called as, this is one rod, this is one rod. There is a gap between two rods. This is one rod, this is another rod. There is a gap between these two rods. Gap. Okay. Okay, this is sand and clay mold. Okay, this is clay crucible. Crucible means nothing but of a jar, simply crucible made by clay, and this is also a chamber made with sand and clay mold shape. Okay, and this is called as girder, 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 metallic rod like steel, like steel. So girder means, are you able to see this one? Here girder means large size rods used for building of bridges. Let's see. Now in this process what happened, this aluminium interact with ferric oxide, it produce iron and Al2O3. Here 2 moles and this is 2 moles. Here this aluminium, iron become Fe. From here to here loss of oxygen takes place. Loss of oxygen is called as reduction takes place. So here it is undergoes reduced means loss of oxygen. Here iron oxide lose oxygen and become iron. Okay, and this is a powerful reducing agent. Powerful reducing agent. In this process what happened? High amount of heat energy is released. Heat energy is released. So this reaction is called as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So nearly 2500 degrees Celsius temperature is released in this reaction. How much temperature is released in this process? When aluminum treated with ferric oxide, it produced 2500 degrees Celsius, very high temperature. At this condition, at this temperature, this iron is in molten state. Molten state, that means molten means semi-solid state, somewhat liquid, somewhat solid, molten state. Okay, clear? So now how we should use, now here in this chamber So now this clay chamber maintain high temperature by the help of gasoline, and we call this is topping plug. There is a hole is there. This is gasoline, maintain high temperature. Gasoline means pure petrol. It produces high temperature in the chamber. So now what is the phenomena takes place here? Let's see. Now initially we are taking aluminum and ferric oxide here. This is the compound, this mixture. This is called thermite. Now above there is magnesium powder and barium peroxide. This is useful to burn this material. By using magnesium and barium peroxide, so we can able to burn this thermite mixture. Okay. So by help of this magnesium rubber, Diwali crackers, there is a magnesium rubber. When we burn, it undergoes burning with the crackling sound. Okay. Now this magnesium, when we burn this magnesium rubber, this burns this magnesium and BaO2 mixture. This help to ignite this mixer, and this produce high temperature, that is 2500 degrees Celsius. Then iron is molten state, that is semi-solid. This is collected dropwise. This iron is come down towards this chamber as dropwise. By using this malted iron, there is a two rods are there like steel rods, very big size rods are there, steel rods. Why we should use these rods? When we are making bridges, we want to connect the bridges, use rods, okay, steel rods. For that we need to connect these rods, okay. So to join these two rods, this is one rod, this is one rod, okay. These rods are generally used in making of bridges, okay. So now if you want to connect these two rod by using this melting iron, which is helps to welding means connecting, welding these two. So this is thermite welding process by using high heat energy here. Okay, clear? Now these two are undergoes welding. Okay, clear? For welding process we use Goldsmith aluminum thermite process. Here there is two important points here. One is what is thermite mixer, that is AlFe2O3. So we can burn this mixer by using magnesium powder and barium oxide. This is a crucible, clay crucible, which is lining with magnesite, magnesium carbonate. So when we burn this magnesium rubber, so it helps to burning of this magnesium and barium peroxide. This is helps to burning of this thermite mixer. This melt then it undergoes this reaction to produce iron. Iron oxide is reduced here and produce molten iron. Now it is dropped to this chamber. This is clay chamber, sand and clay mold, and then we can join or we can weld these two steel rods by help of this iron, okay, at high temperature. That is gasoline is here, petrol. This is, okay, blast lamp, we call it is. Blast lamp means produce high temperature blast lamp. Okay, are you able to see this, ma? Okay, gasoline is petrol, pure petrol. So finally what you have to remember, this Goldsmith aluminum process means reduction of metal by using aluminum, which is a powerful reducing, which produce high temperature. So it is exothermic reaction. The heat energy which is released here helps to the welding of this metal, that is called Goldsmith aluminum thermite process. What is thermite mixer? 1:3 ratio of aluminum and ferric oxide is called as aluminum thermite. Not only steel rod, we can welding some other metals also. Mostly we go for steel rods. Okay. Okay students, this is the application of aluminum thermite process. Tomorrow we discussed about aluminum compounds Al2O3, AlCl3 and alums. There is 3 topics are left. We will discuss within 3 days. Okay, thank you very much.